Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see how we can access a course on mobile phone. So first we need to click on the three lines and then the login button. And after that, we are supposed to enter the login credentials with which we have purchased the course. So first you need to enter either your user ID or the email ID that you have purchased the course with, and then the password of the ID. After entering the details, you need to click on the login button or the submit button, and then it will log into your account. After the successful login, you need to click on the three lines again, then my courses, and under this section you can see all the enrolled courses, and then you can click on any course and you can start accessing it. So it will redirect you to the LMS. In case if you are accessing the platform for the first time, then you can refer to our video for the first time users. And then you can click on the any video and you can play it on the mobile phone as well. So you can easily access all the content, videos and all over the mobile phone as well. By clicking on the left bar, you can access the other parts of it. And by clicking on the dashboard, it will redirect you to the dashboard where you can see all the courses that you have enrolled in for. So this is how you can access the courses and the video content on the mobile phone. So I hope it is clear to you. In case if you have any technical queries related to this, you can contact back to our team. Thank you.